break down my defense. You don't need a fighter jet to end our arguments. We don't have to be like everyone to use our common sense. So I guess it's time we burn the documents. Cause you're crazy, I'm crazy, so there ain't a thing to lose except our pride and suicide of all we ever knew. In some ways we're east and west and the wall is coming down. Sometimes we celebrate, other times we say what have we done. And I feel you holding on and I'm holding on too. But no matter what we say or do, the wall is coming down. The wall is coming down. I see you coming round. Cause your wall is coming down. I don't have to build a fortress to hide what you can see.